Tutor. Tutor is now X. Tutor just changed their name. Today's morning, Elon Musk just changed the name. This is how the power of money. Simply just woke up today and just decided to change the name of the company. That's how you can see the power of this man. So Elon Musk just changed the world. You already know about that. Elon Musk already have a SpaceX. Now another domain. Now the Twitter just changed their name to X. What do you think about this name and how this name it could be? Please do comment below and let me know about this name. So what do you think about this name?